In this video, I will show you 3 brand new ways that you can use to grow your Instagram account. And without any further ado, let's start the video. Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anmol and over here we talk about daily Instagram tips and tricks that you can use to grow your account and smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm and turning on the post notifications bell. The shameless plug out of the way, we also talk about Instagram updates. I try my best to update you guys with the Instagram continuously updating the platform. And if that kind of stuff interests you and you want to learn more about this kind of stuff, then consider subscribing and smashing the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And now let's talk about the first way that you can grow your account. In this strategy, you can get a lot of engaged followers passively just by using keywords in your profile. In the past, Instagram was not that SEO friendly as you can only put tags or keywords in your username or your name. But now Instagram has started to mature and now you can use keywords in your name, username, your bio, your content and even story highlights. If you put keywords that are related to your account, and whenever someone will search for that keyword or that phrase, you will show up in the search bar. And if they like your content and if you have optimized your profile, which we talk a lot in this channel, if you have optimized your profile properly and they like your content, they will follow you back. Traditionally, SEO is that you make a certain type of content on Google, maybe a blog or a video on YouTube, and you optimize that video with certain phrases or keywords that are similar to your video. For example, if you have a video saying that top 10 breeds about dogs or top 10 things that you didn't know about dogs, you can have keywords such like 10 facts that you didn't know about dogs or something like that. But it is actually a bit different with Instagram. The SEO is a bit different. The main areas where you can focus on Instagram is mainly your profile. You need to put keywords that directly explains what your profile is, and you need to choose certain keywords that are similar to your profile. The main areas that you can focus on if you want to do SEO is your name, your username, your bio, the captions that you use and story highlights. If you fill them with certain keywords that describe your content, you will start ranking on the search and people will start coming over to your profile. And if you have optimized it properly, then they will like your content and they will follow you back. And this is actually the best way to get engaged followers, and you need to do it right now because Instagram is becoming more mature and they are going to take action on this in this year, and you need to start doing it right now because the earlier you will do it, the faster you will get your results. The way that you can grow your Instagram account is by using Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels are actually the best way to get a ton of exposure in a short period of time. If I take myself, I got about 1.9k views just in 10 minutes, and what else can you ask for? I know that Instagram Reels were introduced in 2020, but a lot of has changed till then, and now Instagram has made a ton of changes, and now is actually the best time to make Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels can be a really great way to like boost your account or get new warm leads for your product or for your service. So what are you waiting for? Start making Reels right now if you haven't, or if you did made about 1 or 2 Reels and they didn't blow up. You need to keep that consistency because not every single reel is going to blow up. You only need about few of them to blow up your account or to blow up your product, if that makes sense. So it's just about starting and making that an habit to produce about 1 or 2 reels every single day. And if you do it, believe me guys, you will grow your account really fast and you will succeed on Instagram. And if you want to know how you can grow your account with the help of reels, don't forget to subscribe as I will be making that video in the future. The way that you can grow your account is getting in the eyes of the mighty algorithm. If you want to grow on Instagram with the help of algorithm, you need to know that Instagram's algorithm is kind of weird and it starts changing here and then, And now in 2021, you need to focus on getting more saves, more shares, and more comments. As you can see in this image, the saves are at the most priority and the likes are at the least priority. So you need to focus on getting more saves, shares, and comments. And if you want to know how you can get more saves, then simply check out this video at the end. The link will be in the description below, or this video will be displayed at the end. So this is not only enough for getting like in the eyes of the mighty algorithm. You also need to have a good reputation. So now you will ask me, how Anmol, how will I have a great reputation in the eyes of the algorithm? It's really simple. Just don't start spamming people with the same type of comment saying that nice post, nice, and stuff like that on every single post. Or just don't follow and follow a ton of people and mass unfollow those people, as you will get an action block. And when you will get an action block, it will tell algorithm that there is something sketchy in this profile. As it is, there is nothing sketchy, but it will give signs to the algorithm that there is something sketchy going on with this profile, and they will not like pick your account up. And so not only getting saves is enough, but you should have a nice reputation in the eyes of the algorithm. Have a great reputation on Instagram and you're getting the things that are required by the algorithm. You will start ranking on the explore page and on the bigger hashtags. But before that, come in the struggling ages, you will understand that growing on Instagram with the help of the algorithm is a kinda really slow game. In the beginning, you need to provide a great piece of content to your audience, and you need to start building a set of audience, because the more content you will put on Instagram, the Instagram will know more about you and your profile. It will give Instagram more data. So whenever Instagram will decide to put you on the explore page or on the hashtags, it will know where to put your account, and then that way you will grow your account really fast organically. But before that, everything comes to serving your audience and building a community on Instagram. So these were the 3 ways that you can grow your account on Instagram. And if you guys got value and you learned something new, then don't forget to gently destroy the like button and the subscribe button. This would do it for today's video, guys. And if you want to know how you can get more saves and win the algorithm, don't forget to check out this video, and I will see you over there, and peace out.